are finally doing some menswear fashion actually for a man. All right, I think we are recording.
Yes.
So you guys know that I said that every 100,000 that we hit all the way up to 1 million subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. So our first 100,000 came and went in May, at the end of May, and we did our giveaway, and I chose Junior to do the giveaway. Junior submitted for a patchwork blazer, and I just thought that was amazing. For one thing, because the guys have been giving me shade for not showing them no love. So I thought this was an amazing opportunity to show you guys some love and, you know, just do an upcycle specifically for guys. But, you know, I love blazers. So whatever it is, we could all wear it.
Yeah, that's why I chose the blazer, because it's so versatile and you can wear it, girl, boys, etc. It's so cool.
I thought this was an amazing opportunity to focus on some menswear. So you guys already saw that we did some reaction to the runway. Amazing. Just so much inspiration that we as upcyclers, both men and women, can take away from that. And so I wanted you guys to get a chance to meet him and see how this process, and yes, he was schooling me on fashion. He was the one who made me want to go back and just really look at the runway and see, like, okay, what is there to offer so that I can just do my very best for him. Can you kind of give me or let everybody else know who don't know, like, what you submitted for your upcycle and where your thinking is, you know, why you wanted that specific thing?
It was a dream of mine to create something very edgy but kind of wearable on a daily basis. So I imagined this blazer made of patchwork, maybe with a lot of color or very neutral. I don't have any kind of specificity, but it was in my mind for a long time, and I wanted to make it. So when your video came out, I was so happy to finally maybe win something like this, and I won.
All right, so after I decided who was going to win, I sent him an email and I told him, you know, let's do a Google Meet. And he took it upon himself to send me, I think it was in between 7 and 9 whole mood boards, like whole mood boards, including colors and inspiration pics, whole mood boards for just different things that he was inspired by, things that he was thinking. Of course, like, I absolutely love all of them, but there are just a few that I just really was drawn to, was taken to, and just wanted to explore more. Backwards, this is number 9. This one is like the antithesis of patchwork, but I really like the lines on this one. This is amazing.
When I found it out, I thought of you because it's totally your style with all these colors and the line and the fabric. I thought of you, and I thought it was a good idea for you to see that.
Yeah, and it almost looks like, you know how rugs have those lines coming through them, and sometimes they have the edges tied off.
Yeah.
That's almost like what it looks like, and I just love that so much. Okay, so this one is number 8, and I really like how this one, the pink one, is done.
Yeah.
It's just like really thoughtfully done for those, especially like for people who like to do quilts. That would be amazing. And then this brown one too. And actually somebody asked me to do something like this on the side of like some jogging pants, like this little frill.
It will be great to do this, I think.
Yeah, I think that would be a good one too. All right, so let's go to this one. I really like on this one the way the edge of the denim is poking through on that tartan.
It's so beautifully done, I think.
Yes, it's really nice. Really thoughtful. All of these are just amazing. Like, the craftsmanship is just amazing. It's just not like people just slapping patches, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so this was one of my favorites.
Too.
This one here, oh.
Ages, the color palette, I loved it.
Yes, yes. Like everything about this is just, I absolutely love this one. Even like that they put the cream in there.
Exactly.
Let's see. Oh my gosh. So this one, you knew I would love that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is just so good.
Yes. The fact that there is a lot of fabric in it and it was so amazing.
Yeah, and you know, like how people are really talking about what you can do with your scraps, what you can do with everything that's left over in the sewing room after all your, you know, project is done. And I just think that that is just one of those things where people have just been so creative.
I think this one is from the runway from Victoria and Rolf, I think.
Okay.
From years ago.
It's still definitely very relevant, and I absolutely love olive, and it has a very utilitarian vibe, like a military vibe at the top, and then you add all of the fabric, and it even has buttons. Yes, it's so good. All right, so this was the monochromatic look, and this one right here, yes, I absolutely love that. Do you know when it walked the runway, did it walk, was it a man or a woman?
It was a woman.
Okay.
I don't remember the brand, but if I found it, I would send you.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm always curious as to like what they're branding as menswear and what they're branding as women's wear, because you know there are moments where they have a woman walk out in a full suit and they're trying to convince the woman, yes, this suit is for you, so they'll add a corset, and it's like I would have worn a suit regardless of what you know, the corset or not. So yeah, I'm always curious as to how, you know, how they decide that. All right, so the one that I really love on this one is the tags one, which if I think about the 7 years that I've been thrifting, all the tags that I could have gathered and collected, yeah, I would have enough for that jacket and probably then some. So yeah, that is amazing. Okay, so this one, what I loved about this one was this one. It's just, it almost looks painted on.
Yes.
Like it's not separate pieces of fabric. Like they took a jacket and they painted on.
Yes. I think it's, well, they took a fabric and they designed it on the tablet or something, and after that they printed it.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what they did.
So beautiful.
It is so beautiful, and it almost has a tribal, like, I don't know, it's just it has a cultural vibe to me that I'm really digging.
I think it was a British designer who made this collection, and the color palette was also there.
I love it. So I was super excited about it, just seeing like his thought process, and I should have known from that he has a background in fashion. Like, tell everybody a little bit about yourself and what your experience with fashion is and why you love it so much.
Since I was little, I was passionate about fashion. I wanted to be a fashion designer. So I graduated last year in Master in Vision.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
So, thank you. I was living in London last year for a few months, so to make projects, etc. And I came into Paris to have more, to present this project and have more the public eye. I needed to see my work, etc. So this year I studied fashion. So I sew, I design, all this kind of stuff on the computer, etc. So yeah, and now I'm trying to be a freelance fashion designer.
Oh wow.
But with the COVID, etc., so it was very complicated this year, but
yeah,
maybe in September I will go back to this.
Nice. So let's talk about your favorites, because this was for you. So I want to know, what are your favorites? Like, which one are you just like dying to have? So I was thinking, like, since he was so forthcoming with his you know, mood boards, that we were going to design this together, and you know, that he would tell me exactly what he wanted, which, I mean, with the mood boards, it leaves a lot of options, but it kind of hones it in a little bit. But he proceeds to tell me,
I don't have any specific one, I think, but you can do what you want. It's like in French we say carte blanche. So I let you do anything you want with the color you want. You can be inspired by all the mood board that I did and be creative.
So you want it to be a complete surprise?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh no, you got this. Yeah, it's all you. I'm like, oh. Okay, so I'm feeling the pressure now. Like, I'm literally feeling the pressure now. Not that this isn't something I haven't done before, because I had to do this for my runway show and different things like that. So I am becoming more used to it, but I was just like, okay, so this is going to be one of those. But he was so trusting. Like, he literally wanted whatever came out of my head. And so I'm just so honored and so grateful that he would look at me and say, like, yeah, you know, yeah, you got it. I'm nervous now.
I'm so glad I found this your YouTube channel during the quarantine, because it was so nice. It helped me a lot, because of the quarantine, I didn't finish this year with fashion, and it helped me a lot, and I'm trying to redo all the things that I saw on your YouTube channel. So
Well,
I'm waiting for you for the rest, for all the new video.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
But I think I got everything I need, and I'm super excited to see how you react.
All
right, see you next time.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
And so I'm just really, really looking forward to what comes out of this. The process of me making this blazer for him, sending it all the way to Paris, and him actually reacting to opening it, trying it on, and styling it for you guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button. That video will definitely come out in maybe a month or so. So you definitely want to hit that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. And in between now and then, I do new videos every Thursday and every Saturday at 9 a.m. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And if you want a tutorial on this amazing top, I have that tutorial right here for you, so you can click that, as well as other videos and the menswear reaction. And there's fashion shows all over the world going on this month, so it's just amazing. If you want to see my reactions to them, definitely click the links, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!